नमस्ते। मैं प्रेमचंद सर। विद्या ददाति विनय विनयादयाते पात्रतां पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोते धनात् धर्म तथा सुखम। Good morning everyone. I am humble request with you, please like and subscribe this video for all new videos notification, because we upload many videos on 12th standard Maharashtra board, 10th standard Bihar board, to the 10th standard Maharashtra board, and all different kinds of formula, importance days, full form, and many other videos. So please like this videos. Today we will study about important days in August. Now, important dates, and their objective. First Sunday in August. All the peoples of world celebrate International Friendship Day. Its main objective to promote the role that friendship play in promoting peace in many cultures. Next, 6th August, Hiroshima Day. Its main objective to console the victims of the atomic bomb dropped on the city of Hiroshima and to pray for the realization of lasting world peace. We all know 6th August 1948. 1944 maybe, America drops atom bomb on Hiroshima in Japan. Next, 7th August, National Handloom Day. Its objective to highlight the contribution of handlooms to the socio-economic development of the country and promote handloom to increase the income of weavers and also enhance their rights. Next, 8th August, World Seniors Citizen Day. Its main objective to recognize the contribution of older person and to raise awareness about the issue that affects their lives, such as sentence and elder abuse. 9th August, Quit India Movements. Its objective to mark the anniversary of Quit India Movements, which was initiated by Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 against British rules. 9th August, Nagasaki Day. Its main objective to celebrate the spirit of survivors and those who have dedicated themselves to ensuring that such events are never repeated and that nuclear weapons are never used against. 9th August, International Day of World's Indigenous Peoples. Its main objective to promote and protect the right of the world indigenous peoples. 10th August, World Biofuel Day. Its main objective to commemorate the anniversary of the successful working of a diesel engines run on peanuts oil by German innovators Rudolf Diesel in 1893, and to create awareness about non-fossil fuels, that is green fuels. 11th August, National Daughters Day. Its main objective to celebrate love and affection towards the girls, child and women's contribution to the family. 12th August, International Youth Day. Its main objective to draw public awareness to problems surrounding youth, their issue and promote way to engage them in become more actively involved in positive contribution to the clubs. 10th August, Organ Donation Day. Its main objective to motivate normal human beings to pledge to donate organ after death and to spread awareness about the importance of organ donors. Next, 14th August, Pakistan Independence Day. Its main objective to celebrate independence from British rule in 1947 and to promote patriotism and national unity. 15th August, Indian Independence Day. Its main objective to commemorate the national independence from British Empire on 15th August 1947 and to promote patriotism. 19th August, World Photography Day. Its main objective to celebrate the passion for photography and to inspire photographers across the planets to share a single photo with a simple purpose, to share their world with the world. 19th August, World Humanitarian Day. Its main objective to honor all humanitarians who have worked in the promotion of the humanitarian cause and those who have lost their lives in the cause of duty. 23rd August, International Day for the remembrance of slave trades and its abolition. Its main objective to remind people of the tragedy of the transatlantic slave trades and to pay tribute to all those who fought for freedom. 23rd August, National Sports Day. To mark the birth anniversary of the hockey player Dhyan Chand, who won gold medals in the Olympic for India in the year 1928 and 1932 and 1936. We all know that in this match, all cabinet minister of Germany come to see the match. In this match, Dhyan Chand play very difficult role for achieving the gold medal for India. In their body are dangers. Thanks for watching